In this guide, I will show you how to point a free domain name with NoIP to VPS server. First thing, visit the NoIP website and click on Sign Up. Fill in the required fields on the new account form and click on Free Sign Up button. After submitting your account, you'll receive a confirmation email. Check your email inbox for that confirmation email and click the link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once your account is confirmed, go back to the NoIP website and click on Sign In again at the top of the page. Enter your email address and password. After logging in, you'll be in the NoIP Remembers section. If a host name wasn't created automatically during registration, click on Dynamic DNS and then Create Hostname. Enter your desired hostname and select the domain from the drop-down menu. Leave the hostname as a record type A unless you need a specific record type. The IPv4 address section should already be filled with your current public IP address. Click the green Create Hostname button. Creating a DDNS key will increase the security of your account and offer better update client compatibility. If you have a dynamic IP address, install NoIP's free dynamic update client. Alternatively, check if a device on your network supports noip.com for dynamic DNS update. If you use a router or a firewall, ensure it's configured for port forwarding. Once your router and firewall are correctly configured, run your service using the host or domain you created. And if you encounter any issues, check the support page of the NoIP website for helpful information. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.